Hello, thank you for watching. I am in love with this Amazon shower curtain. This is a shower curtain, but we are outside. I use shower curtains in the most unconventional ways because it's so beautiful. It is a shower curtain. It has the hose right here, but I just hooked them to these hooks because the pattern I fell in love with, and I needed to add a little privacy. So I just brought this beautiful, vibrant shower curtain down here to add some elegance to my deck. I use shower curtains all around my yard for added shade, privacy, a little more flowers. It is beautiful. I just can't keep them in the bathroom. This is machine washable, feels thick. If it gets dirty, you just put it in the wash machine and dryer and put them back up. Shake and go. You can keep this for a long time. All my shower curtains I keep for a long time. It's like a tough material. It is beautifully sewn. And the pattern is on this side, but when the light hits it, it shows on the other side too. So you get the best of both worlds in the pattern from both sides. Depends on how the light hits it, and it turns out beautifully either way it goes. So I'm telling you, this is a shower curtain. A shower curtain, one of my favorites that I'm in love with from Amazon. And I hope you enjoy this review. If you like a shower curtain like this to hang in your bathroom or outside in your yard, you're gonna love it.